heading over to Dan's to meet up with everybody. That's where we're meeting at this year. This one. Gonna leave from there and head towards Seneca Rocks, West Virginia, which from Pennsylvania, southern Pennsylvania, where we're at, it's about 3.5 hour drive. It's not quite 9 yet, but we're not gonna leave till probably 9:30, 10. So they put us there 2:30 with fuel stops and whatever. We're looking pretty good. Tech doesn't open till 4 or 5. It sounds like a lot of the other drivers and stuff are getting there kind of about the same time though. Right about 2, so I'm hoping we can sort of hang out with everybody and have a good time. That's a big part of the fun of these things, is getting to meet all the other drivers, check out all the other rigs and everything. So be pretty cool. So Dustin's supposed to be pulling in any minute, so we're here waiting on it to hitch the Jeep up because we aren't towing it in that thing. Ooh, there he is.
Whitewater kayak gloves.
Finally. Trying to make up time, but it's pointless at this point. All right, let's get to work and hitch this thing up. All right, we're checking the tire pressure real quick. Prepared as usual. And then we're ready to go.
They still make these fuckers. The parts are the same.
All right, we're underway.
2002.
It's like 3 hours to get there. All right, we're like an hour out by the GPS. Dan's getting scared.
There's all water.
There's a lot of water. There's water just laying off the side of the road.
That grass looks pretty wet.
It's mud. But we're getting there. The Jeep's still luckily on the back. Oh, there's the Dollar Generals.
Out this creek.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of water. It's a lot of water. Well, we made it. Hanging out in the Airbnb. What's that?
We made it to the town of the start line.
Yeah, we made it to the town to start.
I gotta build some confidence in the rig again.
In the what?
I gotta build some confidence in the Jeep. Get some miles.
Yeah, I think a finish would help build confidence. I have a lot of confidence in Justin's driving ability for getting us here.
You made it here just fine, didn't you?
That's why I ride in the back. I don't see nothing.
That is probably a safer place to be.
It's very safe. I'm double belted.
Safe.
Yeah.
I've seen those vans wreck. There's nothing safe about them. They're convenient.
They are the worst thing ever to wreck. You pretty much all die instantly.
I'm going to fill up on some granola, and then we're going to tech in. What's our number? Oh, you can't read it now. You covered it up. Huh?
83. You wrote it again.
Oh, 83?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I lost my wristband.
You didn't put it on?
No.
Well, we gotta go back to the others, so.
All right. Go on, Mike.
Built to explore.
There you go. It's pretty cool. Everybody's starting to roll in. It's pretty cool stuff here. First one with some UTVs too. Here at the start line. Starting way far back, so all the way at the back of A. We're gonna watch these guys on the bigger tires start first.
stay left.
Oh, no.
10 miles to target. ETA 58 minutes.
Watch your wind. Ease over it.
4 miles to waypoint.
Perfect. Yes.
Yeah. Might be the worst of the day.
Lockers are so much better. Look how close. Rocks. It was this big. That's it. That's the one he was talking about.
4 miles to waypoint.
All right, we hit mile 200. 201.88 to be exact. So we're a little under halfway. I think 210 to 11 is going to be halfway point.
Target. ETA 3.5 hours.
And we're chugging along. Squeaking.
2 miles to
Squeaky,
waypoint.
very squeaky. We got rocks and everything. What do you think, Brad? Loving it. He's loving it. Been pretty cool though. I think it's Jameson.
I got a media side by side.
Yeah, it's side by side. Well, we are at mile 228.5 and Jed just made the
89 miles
announcement
to
that
target. ETA 4 hours.
30.0 is the absolute maximum moving speed. Not average speed, which I guess I misunderstood. I thought it was average. So now it's a race to see who can go the slowest. So we're 15 miles per hour on course. We got Jameson behind us.
2 miles to waypoint.
He's winning. He's going a little slower. So I mean, it is what it is.
See how the rain changes things this evening.
When we get cell phone service, we're gonna check. There's probably some rain coming in. It's 4:30. I think the rain said 7, which was right around sunset. But that was also for Seneca Rocks, somewhere up towards that area, and we're, I don't know, somewhere in the middle between that and Point Pleasant right now. Yeah, we're halfway across the state.
89 miles to target.
So,
ETA 4.4 hours.
Judging by the sky in front of us, it could be a little sooner for that rain. And Dan's actually has no AC, and it's 87 degrees out. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be wet.
It's gonna be musty.
It's gonna be musty.
1 mile to
And
waypoint.
that's Transgo that he put on his sunroof. It's gonna be greasy too.
Adds to the atmosphere.
Yes, it's gonna be wonderful.
I thought the XJ was too nice, so we had to trash it up.
It's gonna get trashy real quick. Yeah, well, we'll keep updating. Well, let's just take a minute to show you what 24 hours in Appalachia looks like on a vehicle.
I already washed it.
Yeah. It's I mean, here's the outside view. Didn't use the winch at all, which was wonderful. Didn't drag it on nothing. Didn't ruin the bumpers. We did lose the fenders on the back, fender flares. Inside, we're pretty muddy inside. Not that this is better than Ohio. Everything about this is cleaner than Ohio. Yeah. So she's filthy. But she's filthy but doing good. So we're gonna get her loaded up. And I'm going to the award ceremony, and then we're heading back to Pennsylvania. All right, all loaded up. Now we're gonna go get some coffee and head to the award ceremony. See how bad we did. I'll recap this here later and go over how everything went. But yeah, let's go find out how we did. So it's I don't know. It's a few days after the Seneca Rocks to Point Pleasant rally that we did. It was a good time. They haven't put the official results out yet. When we were there, Sean said I think we were 6th place, like 11 minutes off at first. So that's, I mean, I'm happy with that. If that actually stands and doesn't change, that's awesome. You know, it was our second one that we've done. I feel like the XJ did a phenomenal job. It was a little it's a lot of work. I mean, it's a lot of prep work leading up to it. It's a lot of it's just a lot. I don't know how else to put it. You know, you spend days and days and weeks and months getting everything ready. You know, and you go, and it was good. I mean, everything worked out. The guys that went with us that were part of our team did a phenomenal job. I think they said we were like total of 17 minutes stopped on course, which is awesome. You know, you can't ask for better than that. So no, I mean, all in all, I'm happy. I'm really happy with it. I think it turned out great. I'm happy with 6th. I drove the last probably 90 miles, and we were scrubbing time in the middle part where I was driving too. And I think I scrubbed a little too much time. We had to be in under 30 miles per hour average, and we came in at like 29.7, if I remember right. And I mean, I could have tightened that up a little bit. I will tighten that up next time we run. So, but you know, it is what it is. All in all, I can't complain. You know, I'm happy with it. It was a finish, and we were going for a finish. I mean, I wouldn't have cared if we were number 90 out of the 90 full size that started, as long as we finished. You know, so I'm happy with that. As far as the course, it was fairly easy. I mean, Ohio was tough, and I think everybody that ran Ohio, even the organizers, will tell you Ohio was tough. And it was much tougher than I thought Ohio was going to be. This one was easier than I expected it to be. I mean, it was still, if you were a novice or your first time doing one or hadn't done a whole lot of wheeling, this was probably pretty intimidating. But I mean, Dan and I have a pretty good background in it, and this is the second one of these that we've run. So I guess a certain amount of mistrust for Jed. I just assumed he was lying to us about how it was going to go, and I just assumed it was going to be worse than Ohio. But you know, it was bad. It was a good one to get under our belt. I feel like it was a good way to open the season for these. A good start to the year for this. So looking forward to Ohio. Because we were 6th, we were top 10. We qualified for Kentucky. So that said, Ohio beat the hell out of us last year. I think we're going to save Dan's XJ, not go kill it in Ohio. All the water crossings and mud and everything else that I know is going to be there. So I think we're going to take the JK if I can get it finished, and run recovery. Volunteer. Help to give back. These guys put on an awesome event, and I mean, I can't say enough about how passionate the guys that run it are, and it's phenomenal. It's really awesome. You know, it's obviously a non-for-profit. It's they're raising money for organizations, for charities, so it's really cool. And these guys that run it are just super passionate about what they're doing. So I can't say enough about that. That said, I think we're going to do recovery or work a checkpoint. I mean, whatever they need us for. But I think we're going to take the JK if I can get it finished and try to save Dan's XJ a little bit and see if Amanda can go with us and get a little bit more wheeling in under her belt, because we're going to take it to Roush the beginning of May, and then this will be the middle of May. So that'll be 2 pretty good events for her to, get some mud on the tires and see how she does with it. So, I mean, all that said, I'm sitting here in my garage in front of it, staring at it, looking at the long list of stuff I got to do to it yet. So, I'm just, I don't know. I feel like my brain's not firing on all cylinders. You just put so much mental energy into this event that when it's over, you're burnt out for days. But yeah, I'm gonna get started on this XJ or in this JK, and follow along for those videos as we prep for Ohio.